Hello, hello, hello. What is up? What is going on? So today I wanted to talk about Jlo Beauty. So I got 3 things from her line. I saw the serum and the moisturizer and I looked a little bit too out of my price range, so I wanted to leave it there and kind of see how everybody else reviews it. I got the cleanser, which is that hit single. It has rice bran, coconut fruit, jasmine root, and this is really good for antioxidants. So I like that it's a big bottle and it was only $38. So the packaging is really nice. Everything is rose gold, simple, straight to the point. Really big bottle. Like, who's washing their face with this? So, oh, perfect. So it has the seal on the cleanser. You always want to look out for that because that's what's going to make everything sanitary. So it's a little gooey. It's just like a silk. I don't know if I like the smell too much. The smell's okay. It's not a strong scent. I'm going to try the cleanser. So far, I don't like how it's oozing out already. I feel like I'm already wasting my product. I didn't even try it yet. Put in my Clarisonic. I'm just going to go at it. So I do smell the olive. Doesn't smell, it's not too strong. But it does feel nice and silky. It doesn't feel like my skin's ripping apart. I think also said to put it on your neck. So getting older, you always want to put everything on your neck. Like, look how much product wasted. No good. Love it, but this is, it could get messy. This is too much. Alright, so my face is clean. I wiped everything off. Feels a little tight. Like, my forehead is like super tight right now. Does look bright. Glow mask that is supposed to firm, plump, and give you radiance. There's 3 of them in here. Purchased this for $48. Jlo said this is the best mask you will ever try in your life. You can smell olive oil in this. But oh my god, it's like drenched. My goodness. Plumping, firmness, all the above. And I'm supposed to leave this on for 10 minutes. I have jasmine rice sake, which is supposed to brighten and give vitamin to the skin. And then the sugar-derived matrix, which brings surface tightening and lifting. Oh, the ears. It has loops for the ears. I feel like our ears have been going through enough, though. Oh. Oh, yes, honey. What's this for? Oh. Okay, I got it. I should read instructions. I love this. And now we wait. Hey Siri, put a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Counting down.
Now put Jlo on. Okay, I could feel, like my face is starting to feel a little hot. I want it to feel a little hot and tingly. So tingle and burn me, girl. Do it. Do your magic. The loop in the holes for me. Sold. Alright, so it looks like the mask is nice and dry. I'm starting to feel the tinglingness and all that, so let's take it off. My skin is like glowing. Definitely my favorite so far. I feel super hydrated, supple, soft, glowy. I don't need any makeup to do like little boop, 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 boop. Star filter, Jlo in a bottle. I should have gotten more colors, but I got pink champagne, and this is just like a complex booster. This is how pink champagne looks. It's visibly going to diffuse the light and blur your skin, but it also has vitamin E in it, which is great. I put too much, but I honestly don't care. I should have got the bronze one. Whoa. So I like that it dries down, doesn't feel too sticky. I'm definitely glowy. I know this is the front of my camera, but I just wanted to show you guys this glow. But this right here, these sheet mask. Oh my god. I need 5 more. Just lifted it. Look at my skin. The skin is like, bam! In your face. In your face.